Hi friend, welcome to Han Essay English YouTube channel. Write a 10-line essay about a rainy day. A rainy day. It does not rainy all days of rainy. Sometimes it rains all day. Such a day is called a rainy day. A rainy day is not a happy day for all. In a rainy day, it rains heavily, the sun is not seen. Everybody carries an umbrella. Roads become muddy and slippery. Students are unable to go to school. Sometimes the sun peeps for a short time. Poor people and day laborers are unable to go out to work.